Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Ferryland is a historic town located on the southeastern coast of Newfoundland, Canada. It is situated on the Avalon Peninsula, approximately 70 kilometers south of St. John's, the capital city of Newfoundland and Labrador. It overlooks the Atlantic Ocean and is known for its scenic coastal beauty. Ferryland has a rich history dating back to the 16th century when it was established as one of the earliest European settlements in North America. It was founded by Sir George Calvert, later Lord Baltimore, as a colony of the Kingdom of England. The town played a significant role in the early European exploration and colonization of North America. Ferryland is renowned for its archaeological sites, including the well-preserved remnants of early European settlements. The Colony of Avalon Archaeological Site, located in Ferryland, is a National Historic Site of Canada and offers visitors a fascinating glimpse into the daily life of the early settlers. Ferryland is surrounded by stunning coastal landscapes, with rugged cliffs, rocky shorelines, and panoramic ocean views. The area is known for its picturesque hiking trails, scenic lookout points, and opportunities for outdoor recreation such as whale watching and bird watching. Ferryland has a small but vibrant community that values its heritage and traditions. The town hosts various events and festivals throughout the year, celebrating its history, culture, and natural beauty. Tourism is an important industry in Ferryland, with visitors drawn to the town's historical significance, scenic beauty, and outdoor recreational opportunities. The Colony of Avalon Archaeological Site, in particular, attracts history enthusiasts from around the world. Overall, Ferryland is a charming coastal town with a fascinating history, stunning scenery, and a vibrant community, making it a must-visit destination for travelers exploring Newfoundland and Labrador.
Thanks for watching!